I'm not a big fan of spiders. They're not my biggest fear, but I just don't like them. I respect them enough not to kill them. I also don't like when they're really big. When you think Australia, you think snakes, spiders, and crocodiles. Things that bite. Crocodiles? I think they call them bites. Oh yeah, mate, you need to be careful about the stingies and the bites. Like such cute names for things that can kill you. One thing that really stood out for me was this video I saw on the internet of what looked like, it was definitely a huntsman spider because of the size of it. Like imagine a dinner plate sized spider crawling into your car, because huntsman spiders love cars for some reason, and that's a common cause of car accidents.
Shut up! He will fall on me! Shut up! Just shut up!
There's huntsman spiders just popping out on unsuspecting victims while they're driving, resulting in car crashes. When it rains, they tend to drop down from the trees, so they advise you not to park under trees. There are people that have reported, you know, you reach under the handle to open your door, there's a huntsman spiders under there. You open up your visor, huntsman falls down. One of our mates had to fumigate his entire car because there was a spider living in it. Because that's the thing with the huntsman spiders. They're big and scary looking, but they are harmless. They're not venomous, they don't bite. And they're very timid, so timid that they'll try to run away from you. But that's part of what makes them scary, is that they move so quickly, but really they just want to get away from you. So I'm thinking maybe it's just stories. I think that's all that the internet shows you, is the freakiest stuff, but in reality, how common is it? The other day, I was driving in the West End. I parked my van to go swap a battery, and then as I'm coming back, I open the door, hop into the van, and what drops down from the left kind of like looked like it just came out of nowhere from over here and then went crawling down and then stayed in that corner, and that's when I started recording. This just happened. How did this spider get in? I have no idea, but it's now out. First of all, I jumped out of the car, immediately went for the left window control, rolled the left window down. Thank God the spider knew exactly what I wanted to do, because that spider went out the window. So that was an easy fix. And that spider just bolted. Thank God it didn't go back into the vents. What the f? Okay, I think it's gone. Oh, there it is.
Oh my God.
Okay, as long as you stay on the outside, Mr. Huntsman, then I have no qualms. I could not believe it. That was my first encounter with a huntsman spider. And then later that evening, one of the van marshals was using this van that I'm sitting in right now and said that he also had to evict a spider from it. So, f me. The rest of the day, I just had phantom itches, and I'm looking at the vents like, what's gonna crawl out of there? But I'm parked under a tree right now, so now I'm like, maybe I should get out of here.